my channel. If you're new here, I'm Brittany Christina of the Brittany Christina Collection, and I'm so happy to have you. So today we are going to get into some tea, honey, okay? 2020 has really caused some changes within my life, within my business. The crazy thing is, throughout the year, I just kept hearing God tell me, you know, everything must go. We talking about relationships, we talking about friendships, and we're talking about how I operate in my business. So up until this point, my business has been 99% custom, right? So this is you know, as a client coming to me with a picture of something that you want made, and I'm turning around for you, right? I think after I launched my bridal collection, I realized that custom is not where it's at. I had such a great turnout from that collection, and as I started to fulfill my clients' needs, the joy just wasn't there. And so my mom, she always gets me, she tells me I'm the queen of pivot. You know, every time I hit a roadblock, I'm always telling her, yeah, like this happened, but I'm gonna pivot and do this. I've never been one to just stay stuck, or to, you know, I might take some downtime, but I don't quit and I don't stop, right? I know that, you know, I'm definitely meant to be in bridal, but now it's okay, how can I you know, design in a way that makes me happy and fulfills me. And I think that's the difference between being a seamstress and a designer. A seamstress will make exactly what you bring them, exactly how you want it, you know what I mean? A designer creates their own original designs. And so I just want to design, y'all. I feel like custom has stifled my creativity a little bit, and so it's time for a change. I need something new. So with that being said, your girl will be manufacturing her very first collection this year, because at this point there's no other options. Like, I need to produce some type of product, and if I'm not making it, that means I'm gonna need to outsource. So manufacturing is, you know, it's time. Like, it's time. I have pursued manufacturing before. The timing was a little bit off, but now it's obviously time. And so I'm excited to take you guys behind the scenes, and at every step of the way as I go through that manufacturing process, I'm going to be showing you what's what, teaching you in real time my own learnings. I know that last year I started the series How to Start Your Own Clothing Brand, and I kind of dropped off a little bit. I've been trying to figure out the best way to share that content with you. I mean, I could easily just sit at a desk and, you know, go walk through a PowerPoint presentation, but I prefer to do, you know what I mean? I'm a visual person. I feel like it's better to show you as I'm doing it in real time, as opposed to just teaching you, you know, putting some bullet points on the screen that you can go and Google anyway. So I feel like that's just more, it's just better. So what I plan to do, I will continue that series, but it won't be consecutive. So if you're looking for week 1, week 2, whatever, it may be, you know, once a month if I'm dropping a video on it, and it's going to cover a multitude of topics as opposed to just one topic per video. So stay tuned for that, my upcoming video series on manufacturing, but actually creating my own clothing brand in that way. So that's what's going on with me, that's what's going on with my business. I'm super excited for what this year has to bring. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.